Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on Centrally HR. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in mycentrallyhr.cbiz.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the login portal for Centrally HR right away. Just enter your company code within the company code section and then enter your username that you have set up while creating your account within the username box. You can then type in your account password within the password box and now click on the login button and you will be logged into your account on Centrally HR right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on View Help Guide underneath Changing My Password and you will be allowed to reset your credentials by following the given instructions. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on Centrally HR. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.